How to onboard your property and tenant to Upfrnt? Firstly, log into your account. Tap here to switch to Landlord Control. Select I want my rents upfront. You need to key in all required fields. And after you input your rent per month, you will see the estimated cost. Remember to upload all the related documents to continue, and then click Next to submit the request. Confirm again by clicking the Submit button. Hooray! We got your application, and we'll get back to you 3 to 5 working days. Open Approve Quote email once your application gets approved. Accept Upfrnt agreement, and then click here to proceed to the last step. Now you can share the register link or the referral code to your tenant to complete the onboarding. Upfrnt, your property or responsibility.